Hello students, let's begin our today's lecture of class 10th physics, a very important chapter. So let's get started. Here we'll study about what is light. Light is the form of energy. Light is needed to see the things around us. We detect light with our eyes. Light enables us to see objects from which it comes or from which it is reflected. लाइट क्या है? लाइट एक फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी है. लाइट की वजह से हम चीज़ों को देख पाते हैं. हम लाइट को डिटेक्ट करते हैं अपनी आइज से और लाइट हमें इनेबल करता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स देखने के लिए जिनसे लाइट आ रही है या फिर जिनसे लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट कर रही है. दिस इज लाइट. So next topic is luminous and non-luminous objects. It is very simple. The objects like sun, star, electric bulb, tube light, etc. which emit their own light are called luminous objects. The objects which emit their own light are luminous objects. The objects which do not emit their own light but only reflect the light falls on them are called non-luminous objects. Example of non-luminous object. Moon is non-luminous object because it does not have its own light. We can see moon because it reflects sunlight falling on its surface towards us. So this is luminous and non-luminous objects. Conclusion, what we studied till now, that light is a form of energy which causes in us the sensation of sight. जिसकी वजह से लाइट की वजह से हमें सेंसेशन ऑफ साइट होता है, हमें सेंसेशन होता है देखने का. लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन स्ट्रेट लाइन. लाइट ऑलवेज ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो दिस ऑल वी लर्न अबाउट. नाउ वील डिस्कस द नेचर ऑफ लाइट. लाइट shows dual nature, wave nature as well as particle nature. So in this slide we will study about wave nature and in the next one we will study about particle nature. So according to wave theory, light consists of electromagnetic waves which do not require any material medium to propagate. They can even travel through vacuum. लाइट कंसिस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स. लाइट वेव थ्योरी ये कहती है कि लाइट में इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स से बन के एक लाइट बनी है जिसको चलने के लिए किसी भी मीडियम की ज़रूरत नहीं है. लाइट वैक्यूम में भी ट्रैवल कर सकती है. इसकी वेवलेंथ बहुत स्मॉल होती है, 4 × 10⁻⁷ मीटर टू 8 × 10⁻⁻7 मीटर. The speed of light wave is very high, but the speed of light wave is very high, that is 3 × 10⁸ meters per second in vacuum. Now according to particle theory of light, light is composed of particles which travel in straight line at very high speed. The elementary particle that define the light is photon, which travels in straight line at very high speed. So in particle nature, light is composed of particles. Particle nature में light particles की बनी है. Light हमेशा straight line में चलती है और बहुत high speed से चलती है. अब वो elementary particle जिससे मिलके light बनी है, जिससे मिलके light composed हुई है, उस elementary particle को photon कहते हैं और light हमेशा straight line में चलती है at a very high speed. So this was all about our today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will glance with the diffraction, interference, polarization of light, phenomena of reflection and refraction of light, and many more. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.